Today, I'll walk you through how to sign your document on Google Docs, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to add your signature digitally so you can streamline your document signing process. Let's dive right in. First, open your Google Docs and navigate to your document. You can do this by going to the link provided in the description below. Once you're in your document, you should see the title Untitled Document at the top. This is your workspace where you'll be adding your signature. Next, look for the Insert menu at the top of the page. Click on it and from the drop-down select Drawing. This option allows you to create a custom drawing, which is perfect for adding your signature. Now, once you're in the drawing window, click on the New button. This will open a blank canvas where you can create your signature. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the process remains the same. At this point, you can use the drawing tools to create your signature. Feel free to use your mouse or touchpad to draw it out. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click on Save and Close. This will insert your signature into the document. And there you have it, your signature is now part of your Google Doc. You can move it around, resize it, or even delete it if you need to start over. If you want to make any adjustments, simply click on the signature and then select Edit to return to the drawing window. This flexibility is similar to how you might adjust a picture frame to get the perfect fit on your wall. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.